In this real review of PLR Wealth launching September 27th, 2021 on Warrior Plus, the easiest way to launch your own product without creating your own product, discover how to use PLR to make money online. I'm going to show you inside of the training, talk about what each one of these videos covers, talk a little bit about exactly what you're going to get for $27, because the sales page is exactly that. It's a sales page that tells you exactly what you're going to get when you buy the product. And the product is going to answer this question: why resell PLR products? Creating your own product is very time consuming, not to mention the cost of all the resources and outsourcing of work. In fact, it can take 2+ months to create your own product and easily cost over $2,000. And here's everything you need to know about PLR, which is going to be included inside of the training. And that's exactly what this is: how to find and how to use PLR. In this first video, Understanding PLR Rights, it's going to be explained to you what PLR rights are, and you can simply click this, visit this page, and all your PLR rights will be explained here on this page. Back to the training, Finding PLR Products. This is a 16-minute and 35-second video that walks you through where and how to find PLR. Of course, if you click here to view my PLR source list, the training is going to give you a list of PLR sites to visit and exactly how they work. And inside the training, it's going to show you some examples of these sites, and it's going to reference back to understanding PLR rights and exactly what you can do with these products when you purchase them. In the picking and editing products inside of the PLR training area, this video is going to show you what to look for when you're ready to pick up a PLR product and how to edit it to make it your own. Hosting in WordPress is exactly what you think it is. This is going to show you a good option for hosting and how to set up your WordPress site, because the idea here is to use WordPress to create your own PLR site to sell your PLR product. Plus, if you go back to the sales page, you are going to get your own custom PLR WordPress theme that includes an opt-in page, an upsell page, an opt-in page members area, as well as an upsell page members area. And then he shows you here on the sales page exactly how easy it is to replace the opt-in pages with your own PLR product. And here's the live page right here that's demoed inside of the video training. You can see this in action, and I'll show you how this works. Simply opt in here to subscribe. It redirects you to the sales page. And again, it's demonstrated in the training how to set all this up, to include how to add your own Stripe button to actually make a sale and receive the payments. And all this is included and walked through in this hosting and WordPress setup video, as well as website structure overview. You can see the page right here and how the page is set up as far as the site structure. Installing and editing the theme to create the page to make it your own. And like I said, the PayPal and Stripe links can be set up here to actually receive payment when people purchase your PLR. Also, there's an option here to set up autoresponders, an example using ConvertKit, as well as GetResponse. A video here for several strategies or ways you can use this PLR theme to build your list, sell the products, as well as earn affiliate commissions using this strategy or the strategies in this video. Ways to promote is a 7-minute and 27-second video that talks about exactly that, the ways to promote your product, because the idea here is once you create a product, you have to have traffic. You need to get traffic, real people to your products, to see your product, to click on your links, and to actually buy the products. Also, bonus 100 WordPress videos PLR. This is included on the sales page as a special bonus. You can see the 100 videos here. Everything from video 1, WordPress introduction, to where to install WordPress, over to installing plugins that you'll need to secure your WordPress site. Inside the training area, you'll simply click here to download all 100 WordPress training videos. Those will download as a zip file, and then those will be MP4 videos that you'll have on your computer for you to use as your own or edit and sell to provide other people training on how to use WordPress. So just like it says on the sales page, here's what you'll get if you purchase today: 12 over-the-shoulder training videos for selling PLR products, a done-for-you custom WordPress theme to sell your PLR, and PLR rights to 100 WordPress training videos, all today for $27. There is a link in the description and the pinned first comment. When you buy it, it'll take you over to this training area for PLR Wealth, as well as I have my own brand, 30minuteplr.com. And you can see here inside of the health niche, I have a product called Easy Nutrition Hacks. You can see the sales page here. I'll also leave a link in the description. You can check this out. But the idea here is I'm going to give you this as a bonus. Component number 1, a 26-page book called Easy Nutrition Changes. 20 blog posts or social media posts. Component 3, follow-up sequence. Component number 4, royalty-free nutrition-related images. Component number 5, 20 longer niche articles. Component number 6, PSD source to product bundle graphics. Component number 7, done for you keyword research, as well as component number 8, 16 exclusive brandable videos. You can see this PLR, my own PLR, over at 30minuteplr.com. It sells for $37 for just the PLR and $47, which includes done for you niche research, which includes niche demographics, blogs and social media accounts to follow, affiliate products to promote, as well as sub niches to explore. I'm going to give you this for free, which is a true $47 value. Because like I said, this is over at 30minuteplr.com. This is my brand. Link in the description. You can check that out to see that it's real. And that's what you're going to get when you click on the link in the description. PLR Wealth, 12 over-the-shoulder training videos, done for you custom WordPress theme, PLR rights to the 100 WordPress training videos, as well as the private label rights to the nutrition and health weight loss niche product, Easy Nutrition Hacks, from my own PLR brand. So just so you understand, just like it says on the frequently asked questions, is this a PLR product or course? PLR Wealth is not a PLR product. It is a video course that teaches you how to buy and resell PLR products. It also includes a WordPress theme you can resell and upsell customers for any PLR product you sell. There is a refund policy. There are also 2 upsells. Inside of the training, you can see the PLR WordPress themes, 5 PLR WordPress themes, as well as 3 WordPress PLR themes. This is the first upsell, unrestricted PLR rights to top 5 custom WordPress themes, which you can see here on the upsell page for crypto, weight loss, survival, health, and make money. You can see some screenshots here of those themes. This is the actual theme live online where you can actually see it. What's going to happen is you're going to get the WordPress theme, you're going to install it. It is going to come with all the content. So for example, if you were to click on fitness tips to stay in shape, you are going to get this exact same page. All you'll need to do is come up with a new logo and edit the content, possibly change out the images. But you can see here, this is a full blog article, a full website that's created. All you have to do is upload this to your own hosting and edit it and add your own content. Of course, I'm giving you some free content here inside of the Easy Nutrition Hacks PLR that I'm giving you. But if you're not interested in all 5 of these niches, crypto, weight loss, survival, health, and make money online, when you scroll down to this page, you can just simply say, no thanks, I'll pass. And then you'll be presented with what's called a downsell, which will take some money off, and you'll be offered the option to only get weight loss, health, and make money done for you WordPress themes. So PLR Wealth, thumbs up if you are looking to understand what PLR is, how to create a WordPress website to resell PLR that you find as your own product. Then this is definitely something you should check out during the launch. $27, as well as I'm giving you some PLR to get started in the health space, which has a real value. Again, link in the description for 30-minute PLR to check that out as well, of $47. So PLR Wealth, check it out. Definitely worth the price, definitely worth your time. Link in the description and the pinned first comment, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.